Welcome to Wednesday. To access today's task, click on this link here. We're exploring how to make a paperclip float in midair by balancing the forces in magnetism and gravity. We are investigating the invisible forces that affect our world and how they relate to other concepts like gravity. And we're going to be able to explain how the magnetic field and gravity interact to make the paperclip float. For task 1, you're going to be reading a little bit and doing a drawing and an explanation. For more instructions, please click on the video. For this unit, we're designing our own lab, but before we do that, we need to know how to design our own lab. So we're going to watch this quick 2-minute video about the engineer design process. And then for task 3, we're going to go over some vocab words. So you'll do some Frere models, and School AI will help you fill these in. For more detailed instructions, click on this link. Make sure you're turning in everything to Google Classroom.